This is a true story about lines of inheritance, interconnectivity, and belonging. I tell of how I found my birth family and discovered that I was the oldest of 5 children. My search for my birth parents coincided with my birth sister's search for our parents. In the early 1960s, she was adopted, the year following my own adoption. I didn't know about her existence. We were united with our birth family before our maternal grandmother died of cancer. The miracle of our coming together from separate life worlds to be at our maternal grandmother's side before she died is the seed for this work. This demonstration of interconnectivity made me wonder if heartstrings connected us. Our reunion story provides valuable insight into the human condition and our ability to home in. Interweaving the relationship between lineage and inheritance, I address what we receive, what we keep, and what we decide to pass on to our line of descendants. My experience underscores the difficulty an adopted child has in balancing their rightful place in both their adopted family and their birth family. The intercultural dimension is an intricate part of my narrative. I grew up in Nebraska, married a Swiss national, and am currently raising my own 5 children in the Swiss Alps. My heritage as an American child born in the state of Nebraska grew to include Swiss heritage, transmitted through marriage. My search for belonging traces multiple forms of kinship, mapping out relational connections. Becoming ready to tell my story took developing professional experience and practicing as a mediator, a medical anthropologist, and a social psychologist. As my children grew up, I had more time to write. Over the years, daily contemplation kindled a desire that flared with words describing my self-realization process, suggesting that inherited family patterns might be transformed through writing and conscious dialogue. This unique narrative of letters, poems, and creative writing pieces from my past show the construction of an adopted child's identity throughout a lifetime.